Hello everyone, welcome to QA Stack. Today we are going to see how to set up Cypress in your local. So before we begin, let me tell you what is Cypress. Cypress is an automation tool. It's actually a next-gen automation tool. It supports the latest technology applications like React, AngularJS, Vue applications. And as compared to Selenium, it provides several features which are built in Cypress, like reporting, weight, and screenshot capabilities. All these things are already inbuilt, so we don't have to write code specifically for it. Then other important aspects of Cypress are that it supports cross-browser testing, it supports backend as well as end-to-end test cases, and it's faster than Selenium. So without further ado, let's dive into how to download Cypress and how to set up Cypress in your local. So let me open Chrome first. For downloading Cypress, you have to go to the Cypress official site. This is the Cypress official site which will help you to download the Cypress. These are the system requirements for Mac, Linux, and Windows. I am using Windows, so I'll be installing a Windows version. So the command to install via npm is this. So first of all, it is asking to create a folder. So let me create a folder. Let me create a folder here. Call this Cypress. The next thing is we need to open PowerShell at this location. Okay, now we have moved on to this location. So we will be installing Cypress under this folder. I have already Node.js installed in my laptop. In case you're not having npm or Node.js, then you can download it from Google and follow the download installation instructions. Once that is installed, you can access Node.js or npm via PowerShell. So now I have created a demo Cypress folder. Now I'm going to install Cypress in it using Node.js. So the command for it is npm install cypress --save -dev. So now, as you can see, it's installing Cypress. So the Cypress is installed. Let's go back to the folder and see if any file is created. Okay, so here you can see node modules package file. Under these node modules, if I search with I could see the Cypress folder. So this is Cypress which is installed over here. Now how to launch Cypress. So to launch Cypress, we need to go inside this path, node modules, Cypress and bin. Let me navigate to this path. Here we need to pass a command, Cypress open. Okay, I'm sorry, npm npx Cypress open. So for those who are using npm, they have to use this command, npx Cypress open. Now this will launch the Cypress application. Okay. Okay, actually I've logged in, I've launched it inside the bin. Let me go out of the bin. Now I am under demo Cypress folder. Now let me run the command, npx Cypress open. Now the application is launched. So here you can see this is the interface for Cypress, and here these are some of the demo scripts which are created over here. You can, in the top left hand side, you can select the browser. Right now it has Chrome 96, Edge 96 and Electron available, but you can have much more browsers other than these. So let me open any existing JS. Cypress works on JavaScript only. So for working on scripting with Cypress, you need to have the knowledge of JavaScript. So I have launched one demo script. Okay, it was quite a long script. Let me just go from the start. So it's actually executing a script. Examples for changing size application. It's using the asserts. It's using this get assert. So all these things. So let's create one JavaScript of our own, and then we will try to execute that file. To create a new file, on the right hand side you can see there's this tab mentioned new specification file. So just click on new spec file and let's give it a name. Let's say demo.js. So as soon as you create a file, you can see that file is visible under this list. Let me open this file. Now I have launched this JavaScript, but as we have not entered anything in this script, the file is blank. So that is why it is showing this kind of interface as no test found. Now let's update something in this file and then we will see how it tracks. And let's open this file in any IDE. So Cypress has its built-in library as well based upon Mocha and Chai. So here I'm providing a description, demo, test case. I'm putting a basic if condition and an assert. Okay, the browser. Let me just copy the basic if condition syntax. If then we are going to have an assert. Let's see the command for assert. Assert then value dot to dot equals to expected actual value. Expect true dot to dot equal to the expected value. So here we are just comparing it with true and true so that we are not we'll be getting a successful assert. Let's see if we have closed all the brackets. No, we haven't closed all of them. Okay, let's save this. Now let me refresh this demo file. Okay, it's still showing the same. It's showing error. Expected unexpected tokens. So there must be some syntax error. Let me try to find out. All right. So I have not given proper codes. .js files. Now let's try to refresh the page again. Let me try to relaunch this. I'll go back to the Cypress instance running again and then click on this demo.js again. Now it says again this is an error. Let's just copy the entire text this time. Describe. Okay, I feel there is no error in this, but let's just remove our code and see if this code executes. Let's refresh the browser. Okay, there is no need to refresh. It's already giving us does not do much. Test body assert expected true to be equal to true. So the name of your test case would be my first test case, which we have passed in the description. Then if it does not do much, this is your test summary, and then under test body we have had one assert expect true to be equals to true. So that's why it is giving us true. Now let's compare it with false. We are purposely failing our assert so that we'll be able to see how this failure looks. Now again the page has been already refreshed, and you can see how does a failed assert looks like. It shows you with a red color along with the assertion error along with the expected and actual values. And you can also click on view stack trace or print to console to get the output printed to console. So this was how we can set up a Cypress and run a basic script on Cypress. If you like this channel, if you like the content, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more content on Cypress, hit subscribe button. I'll be sharing more sessions on Cypress. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching the content.